After the successful launch of Unboxing Smiles in December, we are back again to give you and your customers the widest smile. Presenting the optimal comfort and luxury. Here are breathtaking designs that will redefine modern living. Straight lines, impactful designs. Make it your private oasis with our one-piece rimless EWCs and wall hungs. Adding to the elegance are the Cera tiles that come in a wide range of colors and finishes. A piece of art with perfect curves, we have elevated your bathing experience with our stylish products. Expressive design elements and classy surface finish. Offering you the ultimate indulgence is our thin rim tabletop wash basin. Best-in-class products that inspire. Here's presenting functionality. Meeting our customers' needs with an irresistible designer collection of sanitary ware and single lever faucets. And it doesn't end here. In future, we'll be unboxing again. We'll be unboxing smiles again.